How to fix echo on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Discord application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Discord application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Discord application over here and then tap on App Info. Now, as you tap on App Info, make sure that you have the app permissions for all the app options available, and that's required for the application by going on to app permissions and giving access to each and every option over here. After doing that, you can just go to the option of notifications and make sure that you have toggled on. Make sure that you have sound, you have your vibration and notifications, and then you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.